Hi, I'm Maru, and back in January I was in the hospital with diverticulitis. So I was given antibiotics and I was supposed to take some sort of anti-inflammatory, but I'm allergic to aspirin. So the doctor said I could not take the regular anti-inflammatory, so my healing would take longer. My daughter happened to know about turmeric and she told me to take it and that it would do me well. I thought she was crazy at first and I didn't. And the following day I didn't feel any better, so I did take it. And I had a very bad knee and I was due for knee replacement. Sudden, the pain in my knee started disappearing. So I thought, why is this pain disappearing all of a sudden? So I thought, so it had to be something else. And I kept saying, maybe it's the shoes I'm wearing, that I'm not walking that much, that I'm not doing this or that or the other thing. And I finally figured it out. It was the turmeric that had completely taken over my knee and made it well again. And I will need knee replacement, but I have been able to put it off now for 6 months. And my knee has performed beautifully. I was able to travel to Europe. I've been able to walk. I am a true believer in turmeric and think that it has turned my knee around completely and entirely. And I really love turmeric.